What's up people, this is Kazim back to the new video. This is our first podcast video and the guest is
Pandit Hitesh Amasheda. He has won India's Got Talent. Then he's got many awards from different states, different things. He's an astrologer, Vastu Shastra expert. Occult Science Guinness Book World Record. He has an Occult Science Guinness Book World Record. And then here we go. So sir,
basically बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज है सर के पास और तुम लोग को आज खतरनाक नॉलेज मिलने वाली है. मतलब मेरे को भी मिलने वाली है. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड था इस
हम भी इस चीज़ के लिए नए हैं इसके लिए.
कोई नहीं, थोड़ा फंबल होंगे लेकिन कुछ नहीं. हम लोग प्रैक्टिस में एक मैन परफेक्ट बोलते हैं, तो हम लोग भी प्रैक्टिस करके बन जाएंगे अच्छे खासे. तो लेट्स गो. हाय सर, व्हाट्सअप.
Hi, what's up?
Hi.
सर तो फिर डेली लाइफ में कैसा चल रहा था?
COVID, especially COVID situation.
I think COVID was very lucky for me. I think sitting at home, relaxing at home, just being at one place, you get to know more about yourself and you can explore many more avenues probably which you haven't explored till date in your life. So I think that's the best part that's happened to me in COVID.
Yeah.
So my research in terms of, that's the way you mentioned, I am into astrology and Vastu Shastra. So my research in astrology and Vastu Shastra is just enhanced. Okay, in fact, during this COVID, I got a chance to design an entire building. So that was something which was very great. Okay, that is completely as per Vastu Shastra. And yeah, I contributed and touched lives of people. Okay, and they are only growing with time. And COVID times as well. So yeah, that was special for me. One of the best thing which happened in terms of COVID was, I think one of my Pakistan friend who was in Pakistan, and he called me up one day, and he has his friend over there in Karachi, and their family was there. Basically during the partition they got separated, so few members of the family were here in Gujarat, and he told me that my mummy wants to speak to her mama who is in Surat. I called one of my friend. Okay, we found out the area. Okay, we didn't realize which building and all.
Yeah.
So I called him up
basically
again.
he don't know that where they stay and all, right?
Exactly.
Okay,
And
yeah.
her mother wanted to get in touch with his mother wanted to get in touch with
His
the
brother.
uncle. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So yeah, I called up my friend, found out the locality. Okay, the area consists of probably 50-60 buildings. Okay, one of my
So you
friends' mother.
reunite them, yeah.
Exactly. And they got in touch, and that was probably the best feeling. Okay, you know, doing something cross border, especially for Indians connected to Pakistan, or for any Pakistani connecting to Indians. Okay, it's always special.
Yeah.
I think it's a dream of him also to be in a relationship like that.
No one knows anything can happen in love.
Yeah.
No, I don't want any relation right now. I'm single, good as fuck.
Okay.
So sir, आपने जैसे इसने बताया था आप इंडिया गॉट टैलेंट के विनर रह चुके हैं, तो आप बेसिकली उसमें क्या करते थे इंडिया में?
So I was basically a black man specialist. Okay, we were the first one to do a UV act on television at that point of time.
What is this UV act?
It is known as blacklight theatre. When you go to Prague, Japan, Korea and all these places, they keep doing the shows because that's the way you have hip hop and all these different forms of dance. It's also one of the form of dance where you can actually narrate a completely entire
story, yeah.
Yeah, it is more theme based compared to, I mean, just doing a
It's
free
a kind
flowing
of
dance or a
lyrical,
freestyle.
yeah.
Not exactly lyrical, but you can actually portray an entire story right from the graphics and probably just to give you, keeping it much more simple. Okay? Just the way people do animation on computers.
Yeah.
We used to do human animation live on stage. Okay, so that was our specialty. So when we had participated on India's
Which
Got
year
Talent,
you did this?
this was the first season.
2009.
During the auditions, we had done Super Mario, and the episode which we had won, we had done Tom and Jerry. So that was special.
So how was it performing on that bigger stage?
It was blissful. I was nervous to be honest because
Yeah.
that was the first time we met Shamak Dawar backstage. Okay, we had a good conversation.
I know
with him.
Shamak Damak sir. Hi sir, namaste.
Yeah, I think he's one of the best. Shamak sir is one of the best in terms of taking Indian dance forms at an international level, Indian dancers to international level. And he had come specially to the episode and he interacted with us. We were lucky to have spent such a time with him. and he shared something very beautiful. He said, one of my students showed me your episode on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay? I liked it so much I watched it twice.
Oh.
And
It's a big
I decided,
yeah.
exactly, it's a huge compliment coming from a legend choreographer
yeah.
who has been choreographing across the world.
Mhm.
So, you know, when Shamak sir said something, okay, I became more nervous. He also mentioned that after that, you know, that he has selected this episode because he wanted to see us live.
Oh.
And on stage, obviously, when you see it on TV, it's just a one-time performance, but we actually performed twice
Yeah.
on the request of
So.
Messrs. Kiran Kher and Shamak sir. So that was special. More special, my parents were also there, so
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a proud moment
That's a
for
proud
them
moment
Exactly.
also.
So you do meditation, yoga also, like you are a yoga teacher.
yeah.
We first met in a yoga class. He was my teacher. So how is it you meditating? Like what's the feeling you get while
I
meditating?
think meditation, it just brings a certain kind of soothness to your mind, calmness, okay? It relaxes your mind so that you know what you are doing. A lot of times, you know, in life we are not aware of what we are doing. Our body is probably not in our control. Our tongue, when we talk, it is
Yeah.
not much in our control. Okay, because mind is running all the senses.
Mm.
Okay? It's like a CPU, it's like a motherboard for all this. And when your mind is more relaxed, I feel you can do things much more effortlessly. And that's the beauty of life. You can enjoy when the things go effortless. Okay, it becomes more smooth in your life going ahead. You enjoy it more.
जितना माइंड फ्री रहेगा उतना ही हम लोग आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। मैंने सुना भी है कि अगर हम लोग की बॉडी के पार्ट्स भी बंद हो जाते हैं ना तो हमारा ब्रेन काम करता रहता है। मतलब हम लोग सो भी जाते हैं तो भी ब्रेन काम करता रहता है, ब्रेन सोता नहीं है।
Yeah, when you go to sleep, okay,
Yeah.
so what happens when you keep your eyes closed? That is the only time when you go to sleep, probably.
हाँ,
It is very difficult to keep your eyes wide open, okay, and go to sleep. But you know, those 7-8 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, whatever hours you go to sleep, brain is at rest. The moment you open your eyes, your brain starts working again. It's like the ignition of the car is on. It will keep running unless you shut it off. So this is completely related to meditation. That is the reason why in meditation, okay, if you would have seen Buddha, Mahavir, okay, all the other gods as well, okay, Shiva as well, okay, Lord Shiva, you know, they keep their eyes closed. So it is very easy for you to relax your mind, shut your mind from the external world. Then as per the Shastra it is said, no, Antarmukhi Sada Sukhi. Our mind is usually Bahirmukhi. We always look for happiness from outside, things around you. Like suppose चलो मैंने पानी पी लिया, okay,
लेकिन वो
I
आपने
will be
जो अभी
happy.
श्लोक बोले उसका मीनिंग क्या है?
Antarmukhi is basically when you go inside you.
हाँ.
That is where the true happiness is.
Okay.
Like suppose you probably get into a relationship, or since both of you are young, and you both have experienced it also.
Yeah.
So in the beginning you might feel, yeah, I'm very happy with her. Okay, she can add a lot of happiness in my life. But you know, with time, okay, when misunderstanding happens, or when you know that, okay, she has this quality, you have this quality, this is becoming an obstruction, or probably the compatibility is not there, or you are not able to adjust or mold yourself in terms of, okay, nurturing the relationship much more beautifully. That is the time you realize, okay, that, you know, she is not giving me happiness.
Yeah. Got it.
So this is what the tendency of mind is. When you go Bahirmukhi, any object or anything, any situation or any person, if it is giving you happiness, okay, then it is temporary, it is momentary. Okay? It is like an illusion. Yeah, but the true happiness is within you. That is what it means. Antarmukhi Sadasukhi, Bahirmukhi Sadasukhi.
Yeah. So can meditation do miracles in your life? Like I have felt it, but I want you to express it because you are so expressive in your life. Like you express a lot of things while not also saying also. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, meditation is like magic. Okay, if you want something magical in your life, okay, not to happen, Okay, I'm not telling that you probably after meditation you buy a lottery ticket, you will win a lottery. I'm not talking about such magic. I'm talking
You
about
calm your body.
I'm talking about a state of mind which is magical, which is blissful. When you are blissful, you will obviously spread a lot of joy and enthusiasm wherever you go.
Yeah.
And people love such people. You just, the people who are watching, okay, it's an example, okay, wherever you go, if you're sad, people would love to talk to you. No, right? Okay. But when you are happy, like on your birthday, people want to talk to you.
Yeah.
Because you are happy. But meditation is just maintaining that state of mind which you experience on your birthday. The energy, the enthusiasm, you do so many things on your birthday. But just immediately, next day after your birthday, you are not able to do so many things. So meditation uplifts you. It uplifts your state of your mind to such a level that you can bring a change in the environment, bring a change in your surroundings, and yeah, the most important thing, you will start smiling more.
Like I'm doing.
For you, what's the power of manifestation?
So the power of manifestation, it actually starts from yourself. So when Bhagwan Sri Ram was born and he started studying with Rishi Vasishtha in his Gurukul, Rishi Vasishtha was his Guru. There was a conversation which happened between Rishi Vasishtha and Bhagwan Sri Ram. This was probably the only conversation which has happened between two wisest people. Because one is one of the most wise Rishi, one of the Sapta Rishi. Okay, another is basically Narayan, who has come down in the form of human being as Bhagwan Ram. Yeah, exactly. So, Rishi Vasishtha says something very beautiful. This whole world is a manifestation of what's happening in your own mind. This is how Narayan also came. We talk about Narayan, we talk about Lord Vishnu, but everything is Shiva in this universe. This universe, as per Rig Veda, it consists of 53 Arab galaxies. Now you can keep counting the zeros. We are part of one galaxy which is Milky Way. But this 53 Arab galaxy is part of space which is Shiva. Narayan is one of the thought process of Shiva. It is a manifestation of Shiva. If Narayan can come and he can maintain this planet Earth for billions of years, I feel we can manifest anything.
Yes.
And after that, Brahma came, through Bhagwan Vishnu, through Lord Vishnu, through his navel. And that is how life came after that. The three they contributed to the entire universe. So manifestation for bigger things in life, it takes time. But manifestation for smaller things in life, it can happen anytime. See, because I'm talking about smaller things because the joy, the happiness which everyone is looking for is more in the smaller things.
छोटे चीज़ आ रहे
Yeah. Exactly. छोटी चीजों में जो मजा है ना,
छोटे ही रख के वो पूरा कर लेते हैं.
जैसे नोटिस किया होगा, जैसे someone who is super rich, lot of time they go through health problems which are not curable also. But if you go to people who are living in chawls, they are more happy. The way they celebrate a festival, it is more blissful compared to which you will see in any other society as well.
Yes.
So yeah, I think those small steps make you a much more bigger human being, rather than adding money in your bank.
Yeah. I believe.
So this is the power of manifestation. You can blossom. You can not only blossom yourself, you can blossom your family. You can blossom the entire society wherever you
If
are.
you are happy, you can make others happy.
Exactly. If you are angry, you will share that anger with others. But once you are happy, you can share that happiness. You can share
The
that
vibe
joy.
of yourself is the best thing.
True.
Okay. तो आप हमारे एज के होते क्योंकि हम लोग ऐसी एज में कि हमारे दिमाग हर जगह जाते रहता है. अगर आप हमारे एज में हो तो आप अपने आप को क्या पॉइंट्स देते कि आप अच्छा ग्रो करें और अपना और भी अच्छा बन सके आप, लाइक आपने क्या गलती की थी और ये भी.
So probably in your age,
Yes.
I've never shared it openly, I usually share it with my students who come for my meditation class. We look for more faster success, Okay? We look for fame. Okay?
Yeah.
We want to be famous wherever we go. Okay? And we want all the things. We want to experience everything. Okay? Being in by doing whatever we are doing at that point of time. And because of this feeling of being famous, okay, you should have everything. Okay, if your friend has iPhone, you should also have an iPhone. Something all this like this.
कुछ
Okay,
लोगों को
which
देखना
is
भी
more
चाहिए.
exactly.
But
Okay,
yes.
which is more related to status and all. Okay, you want to show off. Okay, this leads you to a very different path. You know, it happened to me. So I started selling drugs and all. Okay, I started stealing bikes and cars. Okay, one time I got caught. Okay, and yeah, I was in prison for 5.5 days. After that, and then obviously it took me some time to understand and to change this thing particularly. Even after that, I was copying in a college. I got detained for an entire year. Okay? You know, so I have gone through something which probably it is little difficult for everyone to digest also.
Yeah.
Okay, at a young age. Okay, at the age which you are in probably. Okay? And I'm talking about this age only. Okay? You know, the best thing which we can do in this age. Okay? I've just guided you towards how this things leads you to wrong path. Okay? But the best thing you can do is, you know, just do one thing at a time. You
लेकिन
know,
सर अभी कैसा होता है ना, अभी आपने बताया कि हम लोग को एक ही चीज़ पे फोकस रहना चाहिए, लेकिन हम लोग की जनरेशन कैसा है ना, हम लोग मतलब 4-5 चीज़ें एक साथ करने की कोशिश करते हैं और वो हो भी जाती है कहीं ना कहीं और कहीं ना कहीं अटकते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग उस चीज़ से सीखते तो है ना, तो फिर मतलब
हाँ,
ये
देखो,
disadvantage
सीखते
है
हैं.
क्या?
देखो, but there are two types of people. Okay? You know, growth life में है ना, कभी fast नहीं होता.
हाँ, slow.
It is either slow or it will be much more slower than that also.
हाँ,
Yes.
like trees and all.
Yeah, exactly. या तो इसलिए कहते हैं ना, बचपन में सबने सुना है ये वाला, तो चाहे हम कितना भी जनरेशन गैप हो या मेरे या तो ऑडियंस में, ठीक है, बट सबने ये वाली स्टोरी तो सुनी है, स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस. सो यू नो, द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस इज, यू नो, you are just doing one thing, you are just going ahead. You are not like a rabbit that you want to eat this, okay, you want to do that also, you want to sleep also in a race, okay, you want to take rest. You cannot do everything. You know, you have to understand, you know, if you specialize in one thing, you will automatically start excelling in others.
Yes.
Like for example, it's a beautiful example. I usually share it with few people, with few of my close friends, and when I talk to people more. Okay? Look at Sachin Tendulkar, one of the legends of cricket, okay, which has been born. Okay, and you know, he is not only considered to be a legend, but he is considered to be the god of cricket.
Yeah, it is.
Huh? Now tell me, what is that one thing which he is super popular about? That's his batting.
Yeah.
Yes.
True.
Okay. But you know, to become a god of cricket,
Work
cricket consists of three things: batting, bowling, and fielding.
hard, building.
At his time, he was not the best fielder also.
Yeah.
He was not the best bowler,
Okay.
but he was the best batsman.
Batsman, yeah.
He focused on being the best batsman.
Batsman.
Automatically, there was a time when he used to come to bowl, okay, he started taking wickets. Because he started realizing, okay, how a batsman thinks. So when you are
Okay,
focused
because
on one
he
thing,
is a batsman,
Exactly.
he got to know all the
Yeah.
things. Yeah. He
And he
focus
used
on
to-
one.
so true. And
True,
he
actually.
used to place himself in such a position in terms of fielding as well, that it was very comfortable for him as well.
Yeah.
And he used to actually take good catches also. He had very soft hands, even in slips, even in fine leg, short fine leg, okay, short gully, which is rare with Sachin Tendulkar, but in the beginning he used to. So after 9-10 years, okay, people started talking like that about him. He made his debut in '89 in front of Pakistan, got bowled by Waqar Yunus at 0. But 10 years down the line, from '89 to '99, people used to look up to him
Yeah.
because the way he scored in '96 World Cup, okay, highest run scorer in that entire World Cup, okay, which was never done before. and after 99, 2003 years passed, okay, and he became a legend.
Yeah.
People started saying that he is god of cricket.
Yeah.
So if you are focused on one thing,
Even cricketers are saying that he is a god of cricket.
exactly. Even legends like Sunil Gavaskar
Yeah.
say. So coming from such people, that means your one-sided focus leads your energy like a laser beam focus. Otherwise, when you keep doing multitasking, 5 things in a day, 10 things in a day, there is nothing wrong.
Yes.
But then you are part of those people whose growth will happen much more slower. So,
Yeah.
but you will learn a lot. That is the best part about this. But
If you go more slower, you gain more things.
Gain more knowledge. and
because of
gain-
multitasking, you
Yeah.
will gain more knowledge.
Yeah.
Okay, but if you are laser focused, within 9
You
years
pass,
you will become
yeah.
a master,
Yeah.
and 11 years you will become a legendary pro at it.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is the formula. Okay, first 3 years, keep doing the same thing again. Things will start rolling. It's a snowball effect. Okay? And 9 years you will become a master at it. 11 years you will probably, in Bombay language, you will become a baba at it. So yeah, I think just wait for 11 years. Keep doing one thing.
Yeah.
You will blossom.
We are on the topic of our age, so what about mental health issues? Like we people have a lot of mental health issues. Not everyone can say that we are all having a mental health issue, but we do. So what about that?
I have.
I think in your age, it's about, I feel people are expecting a lot of things. Whether it is from a YouTube channel, okay? Whether it is from your girlfriend, from your best friend, from your family. Okay? But you also have to understand, okay, there are good times and bad times also, not so good times. You just have to appreciate it. You don't have to,
You have to learn the things from their mistakes and all the things. Right?
Exactly.
Because I am doing the same thing. Even my circle is gone, and I was in little bit in depression and all. So I thought that चलो कोई नहीं, मैं इस चीज़ से सीख लिया हूँ, काफ़ी चीज़ें सीख गया हूँ मैं कि मेरे को ज़्यादा होप नहीं रखनी चाहिए किसी के साथ. ज़्यादा होप लगाऊंगा तो वो टूटेगी, क्योंकि ये सब टेम्परेरी चीज़ें हैं. ये
I think
पूरा टाइम कुछ
compare-
ही नहीं दे सकती ना. वैसा मैं सोचने लग गया हूँ.
Good, okay, good. That's a great thought, okay, which you are thinking. Okay? But the easiest thing is to learn from the past.
Yeah.
People will come and go anyways. Okay? You don't meet your school friends when you go to college. It is not the same group. Okay? You pass out college. Okay? You are not with the same people working in the organization. Okay? You keep meeting new people. New things happen. Okay? मुझे भी किसी ने कहा था. Okay? This is the same thing which I am sharing. Okay? You know, कई बार क्या होता है, हम किसी से सब सीख लेते हैं ना, और ये सारी चीज़ें, तो वो कोटा खत्म हो जाता है. जैसे इस ग्लास में पानी है, तुम कितना पी सकते हो? इतना ही पानी पियोगे जितनी इस ग्लास की क्षमता है, जितनी इस ग्लास की कैपेसिटी है. तो पानी तुमने पी लिया, खत्म कर दिया, तो बस हो गया. Now it's time for you to move on. Either refill this glass, take a bottle and carry, or change the glass.
Yeah.
That is how you move on from people, situations, things. This is more easy. And गलत होता है, okay? Be grateful. मैं मेरी लाइफ में जैसे मैंने कहा, okay? जितनी बुरी चीजें होनी है ना, मुझे लगता है यंग एज में हो जानी चाहिए. Because if you are married, you have 2 kids or 1 kid or whatever. Okay? Then it will impact you more. It will impact your entire family.
अभी हम लोग को हमारी गलतियाँ इतना सिखा देंगी कि हम फ्यूचर में जाके ना वो
गलती ना
स्टेज पे
करें।
नहीं करेंगे वो गलतियाँ.
जरूरी नहीं है कि गलती नहीं करे, but you will be much more aware.
हाँ,
Yeah.
लोगों को पता रहेगा.
वो अवेयरनेस होती है.
उसे कोप अप कैसे कर सकते हैं वो हमें पता
हाँ.
रहेगा. हाँ.
और तुम वो प्रिकॉशन लेते हो ना.
हाँ.
बस.
Yes. फिर ओके देन मेरे को ये पूछना था, मेरे को आपकी स्टोरी आपसे जाननी थी. आप जो स्टोरी बोल रहे थे कि आप कैसे ड्रग डीलर थे, ड्रग डीलर से लेके आप ये इस फेज में कैसे आए हो. आप लाइक आपने मेरे को योगा क्लास में स्टोरी सुनाई थी, बट आप फ्री फील कर रहे हो तो आप बोल सकते हो, हमें बता सकते हो.
So you know, probably I was in a path. I was in a path where I wanted more money. Okay,
Yeah.
I wanted to buy objects and things which probably to show off the society
Yeah.
that I have some status and
We
all.
are in that phase right now. I feel you.
Yeah, this is a very common feeling when you're a
Yeah.
teenager or a young adult. Okay, when you're growing. So because of this, okay, I started taking shortcuts. I felt this is probably the easy way to go ahead with
go ahead.
and to earn more money.
Yeah.
And
जैसे आजकल के बच्चे करते हैं, सिगरेट लेके पीने लग जाते हैं और उन लोग को लगता है
no,
शौक
it is not
हो
only
रहा है।
about. So my case was not about cigarette.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
This case was more like drugs, I guess.
So when I was in prison for 5.5 days, and first 2 days I couldn't eat anything. My mind was probably more in utter shock. What am I doing with my life? What's wrong? And this is what I want to continue doing. This is what I question myself. कभी भी वो बंदा या बंदी जो गलत करते हैं वो हमेशा गलत नहीं होता है but when you will start understanding from that perspective, from that person, you will realize it is the situation.
Yeah.
This is how what others feel. They are with the people probably, okay, or the situation is like that. Okay, majburi hoti hai,
Yeah.
whatever. Okay, there are more factors to it. Okay?
Yes.
The people are never bad. So when I came out from there, and when I got detained also from college for a year, I just prayed to God. The easiest thing to do, I feel.
Yeah.
And I prayed to God that show me a path which will help me to rise from all these things. I know I'm not bad. You know I'm not bad.
Yeah.
You have 48 hours. Show me the path. So one of my friend invited me for a small seminar at someone's house, and they spoke about yoga meditation. That is how I got into this. I like the vibe. Okay? Being young, okay, I think vibe matters a lot. Okay?
A lot.
Yeah, exactly. And when you understand that vibe, when you have experienced something like that before in your life, it becomes more easy to catch that or to hold on to that vibe for a longer period of time. Yeah, that's what I did.
So we are back with my new t-shirt, okay? So, sir, as you know, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा था कि like what are chakras in our body? Like you do meditation, you know astrology, you are a pandit, so you should be knowing about that. So yeah. Go on.
So chakras are basically like because you drive. So I'm giving you that example. Okay?
Yeah.
When you're driving, there is a junction.
Yes.
Where there is a signal.
Yeah.
And when the signal is more channelized, okay? When that traffic is more channelized, much more managed, well managed, okay? The flow of the cars is much more effective. There is not so much of traffic on those lanes, especially on those 4 lanes. Okay? This is what the chakras do to our body. Okay? They are basically at a junction, okay, where they are channelizing the energy. There are more than 300 chakras in our body. As per yoga, okay, simple basic yoga which everyone does, okay, 7 chakras have been given more predominant importance, more probably at its most importance, okay. The first one is Muladhara chakra, which gives you a lot of stability. Second is Swadhisthana chakra, okay, that is just 2 inches. Muladhara chakra is at the base of the spine, just above, probably 2 fingers above that, okay, just behind the genital organs. It is Swadhisthana chakra. Okay? This is the chakra which leads you to more security. A lot of time we have a lot of insecurity about whatever the thing is, okay, or any object or any relationship related to people. Okay? Swadhisthana chakra is associated with that. After that we have Manipur chakra, which is behind our navel. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Manipur chakra makes you much more generous by nature. Okay? That is the beauty about it. Okay? Then it is Anahata chakra at the heart. Okay? Center of the chest, you can say. Okay? So this chakra is filled with love. इसलिए
इसका बड़ा active है वो चीज़.
I have the chakra over here.
yeah, I think chakras everyone have.
But I
Yeah.
have the big one. This much big.
It's like a
It's
life.
not even fitting, but it's okay.
Yeah, probably you can say that that is the reason why he keeps falling in love instead of rising in love.
Yeah.
See, his mouth is open. Okay? It speaks
Tell
volumes.
the
do it that way,
truth. I always fall in love with
Yeah.
everyone. Even a mosquito, I love the mosquitoes too.
No, you don't. Please don't say that.
Love you, fam.
Okay.
So, yeah, after that it is Vishuddhi Chakra, which is our throat. Okay? And so there is a story of Mahadev, okay, drinking the wish, okay, which came from Samudra
yeah.
Manthan, which was halal basically. So, and that is stored over here in the Kant. Okay? This is Vishuddhi Chakra. Okay? All
The
the
item
purity,
The
not the
item.
item chapter, just below it, around it. Okay? Vishuddhi Chakra is basically responsible for the Shuddhi of your entire speech,
Yeah.
the communication.
Yeah.
Okay? That is the reason why voice box is also over there. Okay?
Yes.
And basically for almost of the nerves also, this is one of the reason why our neck only has nerves. There is nothing inside neck. Then it is Agya Chakra, which is in between your eyebrows, right over here. Okay, it is associated with knowledge, wisdom, more awareness in your life.
Teesra netra, na, right?
Yeah, it is said to be the third eye.
Yeah,
And
teesra netra.
it is said to be more when your Agya Chakra is more active, your six senses are more active.
Yeah.
Your sixth sense, intuition, which people talk about. Then it is Sahasrara Chakra, which is right on top, over here.
It's called
Sahasrara Chakra.
Sahasrara.
Here it is only bliss. You will experience eternal bliss.
You said about intuition, like I have done an intuition course. You can elaborate about it much more.
Yeah. Intuition is basically getting the right thought at the right time, okay? Which divine wants you to do it at that point of time and which is best for you at that time. If you see, thoughts keep coming in our mind, but when intuition comes, it will come from within you. There is a voice which comes from within you. Everyone experiences this. Suppose you are traveling, okay?
Yes.
There is, you are stuck at a road and you feel, okay, there is a signal, okay? That is the reason we are stopped, okay? And you feel whether I should take a right or whether I should go ahead straight. Okay?
Yeah.
Sometimes inside you there is a deep voice, okay, which keeps telling you take right, take right, take right. There will be a lot of traffic if you go ahead. And you take a right, you reach that destination much more faster.
Yes.
So yeah, I think that's intuition. Okay, I just given you one example.
Yeah.
So this quality is there in everyone. Okay? But when you do the intuition course, the Prajna Yoga course, okay, it just enhances this quality at a much more deeper level.
Okay. So, like, you predict people like by looking their face or by looking at their aura. So I want you. What do you feel about us? Like we both. Like first about him, then me. I'm scared about it, but it's okay.
मतलब आप कैसे मतलब किसी का फेस देख के उसको रिकग्नाइज कर लेते हो कि ये इस मूड में है या फिर ये इस वाइब देता है, मतलब उसकी वाइब आपको कैसे पता चलती है?
Yeah, I think you picked the right word. At times it is just the vibe.
Yeah.
Okay? Just the way I think for young people the vibing is more necessary. Okay, with your friends, with your whatever relationship you get into, boyfriend, girlfriend at that point of time. Okay? You know, similarly at times I vibe, at times it is intuition, at times it is the knowledge which I have studied through astrology, Vastu Shastra and all this. Okay? But you know, at least in your case, I feel you don't have the clarity what you want to do in your life.
Yeah.
Once you will get that, okay, I think you will grow more in your life.
Yeah. I'm.
Right now you are at a stage where you are very
Yeah,
uncertain.
yeah.
Okay, it
I
is
have to do
just
this. I have to do that. I have to do a
Yeah.
lot of things.
You're like an air.
Watch, yeah.
you're like an air.
Yeah.
Okay? Just the way air is everywhere. Okay? You
I
feel
want
you
to
want to be everywhere. So
everywhere,
that is
yeah.
how you will become
Yeah,
famous.
yeah.
Okay? But you know it is not like that.
Okay.
You know, one more example. I love giving examples, okay, so that people find it easy to
Okay.
understand.
Yeah.
Okay? Suppose if you are driving a car,
Yeah.
Okay.
there are many variations in car.
Yeah.
Okay? It could be a hatchback, it could be a SUV, okay? It
Yeah.
could be anything. Okay?
Yeah.
But If you buy a Rolls Royce,
Yeah.
Yeah.
then it is different.
Proud
When you
person.
channelize your energy,
Yeah.
it is like sitting in a Rolls Royce.
Yeah.
So,
You will also enjoy your ride. Okay, that is your journey of your life. But at this point of time, when you are completely scattered, okay, you are just like another Fiat. Nothing
so
to,
basically,
nothing
you
to.
suggest me to
Beaming
focus
clear.
in one thing and put my
Go with
whole
it.
effort
Go with
with
it.
Yeah,
one thing,
exactly.
yeah.
Okay? See,
Okay.
that is how water is also. Okay,
Yeah.
when you open the tap,
Yeah.
the water when it comes with a proper flow, okay, you feel good.
Yeah.
Okay? But there is water in the sea also.
Yeah.
When that same sea water, if it will come to the entire city, since we stay in Bombay, which is surrounded
Right.
by water,
Yeah.
that would
then the
definitely,
entire city's energy will become very distorted. It will spoil most of the things or many things. So if your energy is more channelized, okay,
Yeah.
you are more streamlined, you will blossom much more faster. You are
Yeah.
just like that tap
will
water
grow,
which will
yeah.
be utilized more for a good purpose. So that is one thing which I feel for you.
Yeah.
So what about me? I'm just too self-obsessed with myself, so of course.
Even I am too self-obsessed. Not you.
But in terms of Karan, I feel you should start working on what you want to do 30 years ahead.
Okay.
It is good that you think short term. Okay, you want people around you. You are good at organizing things. Okay, but start doing things for long time. Okay, which will give you a result in long term. Okay? That because I personally feel you're made for big things in life. I've told you this before.
Yeah.
I'm telling you this again. So yeah, that is the reason why.
Focus
Yeah.
on big things.
So we're just gonna change the topic. So what's the role of sex in people's life? Like especially at our age and especially at your age.
What 6 like?
The role of sex in your life.
6 with the number.
Sex.
Okay.
Sex. Okay. So probably when I was young in my college days, okay, people used to lose their virginity probably around 24, 25. Okay? I was not recently, but probably 2 years ago, 3 years ago, I just googled, okay, and people losing their virginity, okay, it has reduced, okay, at 14, 15, okay, at that age. Okay? I personally feel, okay, it is a beautiful feeling. This is one of the reason why, okay, our rishis have written an entire shastra about it, an entire book about it, which is termed as Kama Sutra. Huh?
Yeah.
It can give you a divine feeling. See, if you keep eating samosa every day, what will happen?
You won't like it.
You won't like it?
The
You feel
taste,
like
yeah.
you
This
should
is
change
exactly
it.
with
Yeah.
sex.
Okay.
If you do it n number of times,
You will get
then you won't enjoy it. But if you do it more beautifully and if you make it more special, okay, this is something which is very sacred. Hence, people don't talk about it, okay, at a railway station so openly.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's why you wanna
Yeah.
open this topic about with us, with the audience.
Yeah, it is more divine experience. It leads to more divine experience. I feel one should do sex when they are completely ready, okay, to nurture an entire family going ahead. Because at least in your age, okay, if someone becomes pregnant, okay, then they can go through an abortion, okay,
Yeah.
but the karma of that abortion also comes to you.
Come with
Yeah.
us.
Karma is.
Since your generation talks about karma more, okay, at least you
Yeah.
understand this term. Okay.
The karma
So, this
is-
Yeah, this is much more easy to understand. We should
And
add
karma
that.
is very fast also, right?
Not necessarily depends, but whenever it will come, okay, it will be hard on you.
It's always running
it's
like
not good.
karma.
Yeah.
Because my age is going on the same level now, so my karma is hitting me. Because I did my past things, very bad things in my past. So the karma is coming for me right now.
I would suggest is learn from the past.
Yeah.
Forget whatever has happened. Call them, ask for forgiveness. The most easiest thing to do. But, and focus on blossoming. If you have realized that you have done bad things, okay, this is the first step. You already realized that this is bad thing. So now take the next step.
Yeah.
Focus on
The
blossoming
first
mode.
step that we know that
Because
we
as per the Shastra, okay, you know, when the Samudra Manthan happened, okay, Shri came into existence, that is Mahalakshmi, okay, you know, and it is said, okay, when you keep a female happy, okay, you know, that is the time, okay, all the happiness in the world will come to you.
That's true.
Okay?
For my case, that's my mom.
So exactly,
sisters.
okay? And you know, when you will, the age which you are in, okay, young adult, okay, teenager turning into young adult, okay,
is that.
it's probably the best time for you to blossom in knowledge. Get some more knowledge. Okay? Because then when you will start working, when you will start your own business, or when you will start working also, okay, you know, you can use that knowledge. You should be much more wise,
Yeah.
okay, mentally, and that happens only through knowledge. And spirituality adds a beautiful charm to it. So then you won't be so stressed like so many people are, but
You
have
won't get
beautiful-
many mental health issues.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think about our channel? Like what you can see in future?
What about us? Like, you predict things like.
Yeah.
I feel it's going to be good. It will take you some time to reach, okay,
that height would be-
the height which you
we want.
the
Yeah.
probably you want, probably keeping that height you have started this channel. In terms of that height, it will take you some time. The only thing which I will tell you is to be consistent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If not a video a week, okay, at least a video a month, okay. Keep it more stagnant, okay. Make sure you have that particular number, okay, and you stick to that, okay. You upload that number, okay, and you know, explore different things.
Yes.
Share that knowledge with people, because everyone uses the internet, right from a 2-year old, okay, kid
When I was
to
70 years old.
90
Yeah.
years, 100 years old, okay, grandparents also they use.
Yeah.
So it becomes very easy for you to share knowledge. After a point of time, people will start looking up to you. So you have to be much more wise. You cannot be guys probably who keep making mistakes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you know, you won't set a good example.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We made a lot of mistakes today.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry for that.
So by the way, even you have a YouTube channel, right? He said
Yeah.
me that you have a YouTube channel. So
I don't
do you
upload
wanna-
it much, okay,
do
but
you wanna talk about it?
yeah, my channel talks more about astrology, Vastu Shastra, how it is connected with yoga, Ayurveda, and music. That is how I do the connection, okay? And yeah, you will see my channel's link on the description. So if you feel, you can just go through the videos. If you like it,
You don't have to feel. You just go down and
And check it out.
check it out.
yeah, I'm sure you will like it.
So sir, जैसे अभी आपने मतलब अभी आप फिलहाल क्या कर रहे हैं मतलब अपनी लाइफ में?
What all things do you do?
अभी
So-
फिलहाल.
Abhi Filal, I am completely doing astrology and Vastu Shastra. I teach also. Okay? I take workshops for astrology and Vastu Shastra.
So do you have your own setup
I don't.
at your home or somewhere?
I think I don't require a setup just the way people require a setup like a photo studio or something
Yeah.
like that. Right now I'm teaching through Zoom, that is online.
Okay, okay. Because of lockdown or?
Yeah, because of the lockdown, but I started offline, so I was teaching in my house, okay, and
Okay.
my students' house as well. So,
If someone wants to connect you.
How can we connect with you?
okay, so I think I will give my name and number on the description below. I think that will make more
That
sense,
will,
and you can connect me
Go
over
and
there.
contact Ring. It's a new reel kind of thing that
Yeah,
I
exactly.
did it.
I think when you're with young people more, okay, you get to learn more all the new
Yeah, that's-
symbols, signs, okay, abbreviations. You learn a lot.
So sir, अभी आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया अपना एक कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म, आप एक अपने खुद के पैर पे खड़े हो, तो अभी आप अपना फ्यूचर क्या देखते हो कि आपको कहाँ पर रीच करना है? क्योंकि कोई
Good
भी एक
question.
चीज़ पे सेटिस्फाई नहीं होता है, वो और चाहता है, तो अभी आप और क्या चाहते हो? जैसे अभी आपने इंडियाज़ गॉट टैलेंट तो विन कर लिया है, आपने बाकी सारी चीज़ें भी सीख ली, आपने अपनी
You have
गलतियों
a
से
Guinness
भी
World Record and so many of trophies.
हाँ, और अभी आपने अपनी गलतियों से भी सारी चीज़ें सीख ली हैं, तो आप कहाँ पर अचीव करना चाहते हो अपने आप को?
I feel it's not from the space of achievement or desire, okay?
Yes.
But it's more from the space of giving more. Okay? I want to start a Gurukul where I can teach astrology, Vastu Shastra, and yoga in more authentic way, okay? In connection with Ayurveda and music, so that people understand how this knowledge has so much of depth, how you can change your life. It's a science. It's a beautiful science. Okay? Astrology is divided. Just to give you a glimpse, I am just sharing this. Okay? Astrology is divided into two parts. In one part, okay, it is Phalit Jyotish. Jyotish is the original term. Okay, the modern day term is astrology. Okay? Phalit Jyotish is where the Indian astrologers are. Okay? But Ganit Jyotish, that is the calculation, is where the NASA, ISRO and all these organizations come from. So no one is different. We are not different than them, they are not different than us. They are more into research. They want to know what this planet is. In terms of this Vedic astrology, Vedic Jyotish, we already know what these planets are and their characteristics. So if this two comes together, then things can blossom at a much more faster pace. And I feel every house, especially the young generation, everyone should learn this subject because it just enhances the depth inside you as a person. You understand your strengths, your weakness, just the way we do it in management, the SWOT analysis. Strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. This is exactly like that. You know which road you are heading at, whether you will reach this destination faster in your life or no. What are you born to do? A lot of times all these questions come. All these questions become very easy to answer. Just the way we go to any divine place, masjid, church, gurudwara, temple, derasar, agyari, so many other places are there, monastery, we go down, we go there, and we just feel at peace with the energy, similarly, you will feel, exactly, you will feel at peace with yourself when you will start understanding this. Astrology, as per the Shastra, Jyotish basically means a Jyot, that is a divine light which Ishwar has made. We all are that divine light. But what are we supposed to do in this life? Astrology tells you that. Vastu Shastra tells you how your formation helps you. Suppose you put on weight, you become 200 kgs. Can you run a marathon? No, right?
No.
This has nothing to demean, triple XL people, but I'm just making you understand. And after 200 kgs, you lose weight, you come down to 70. Will you be able to run a marathon? This is exactly what Vastu Shastra does. It helps you in terms of how your form changes your future and how you can make your own fortune out of it.
A plus point for yourself.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Plus, I think not only for yourself, astrology is for yourself.
But for giving others also.
Not that, but see, when you are staying in a house,
Yes.
you are not staying alone. There are people associated with you, like your family. Since you don't have your own house, you are staying with your parents. So it is that house is impacting, the formation of that house is impacting everyone in the family. So if the formation is correct, you will blossom much more faster. So Vastu Shastra is for the entire family, astrology is for your individual self. Ayurveda is so that you can keep your body more healthy. Ayur is basically the life force in your body, the prana. So you can sustain your body for more years in this. And you will be much more healthy. Ayurveda is basically means following a healthy lifestyle. A lifestyle so that you can blossom, your body is much more at its best. Yoga is basically, the meaning of yoga is union of body, mind and soul. So that the moment your mind is at peace, automatically mind will be in sync with body and soul, because soul and body are anyways together. It is just the mind which keeps wandering everywhere. But from right now we are in Bombay, but your mind can go to USA, Australia, wherever you want to take it. I'm sitting here also. So yoga does that. Music is something which can uplift your energy instantly. Because you cannot keep doing yoga everywhere. You're traveling by train, you're traveling by flight, you're traveling in your car, you cannot keep doing yoga. You cannot probably check your nadi and balance your energy that kind of time. Music does it very instantly. Hence there are
Yeah.
certain kind of music which suddenly uplifts your energy, certain kind of music which suddenly
It
Calms
gives
you
you
down
vibe.
and-
calms you,
Yeah.
okay, certain kind of drains your energy after a point of time.
It gave you vibe that you need that time.
Exactly. More than the vibe, I think uplifting that energy
Yeah.
is more important. Vibe हम किसी भी चीज़ के साथ feel कर सकते हैं, whether it is good or not so good.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
It is more about that upliftment of that energy.
Yeah.
So सर जैसे अभी आपने बताया कि आपको एक गुरुकुल खोलना है, तो अभी आपने कुछ प्लान किया उसके बारे में कि आपको कहाँ करना है या फिर कुछ प्लान आउट चल रहा है उसका?
I think the best part about all the good things about the future, no, you should not share.
Yeah.
ओह, काला नजर लग जाएगी.
That's an inside joke.
Then you will remember him. Okay, he is the man in black today.
Yeah.
But I feel there are two types of secret
Okay.
in our life. One is sacred secret,
Yeah.
जो हमें चाहिए कि हमारे लाइफ में हो. Sacred secret you should not
जहाँ सब
share.
लोग मिस्टेक कर देते हैं ये चीज़.
नहीं, हाँ, वो बता के वो उसे उसका एसेंस खो देता है.
हाँ.
बट वही चीज उल्टा हम
Like
शेमफुल
this.
सीक्रेट के साथ करते हैं. The things which we have done wrong in our life, okay, we usually hide it.
हाँ.
Okay? फिर जैसे ही वो किसी को पता चल जाता है ना,
तो वो और बुरा लगता है अंदर से.
so you should not hide.
हाँ.
Anything which you keep it with, the strength of that increases.
Yes.
So it is good that you keep a sacred secret within you.
इसके लिए मेरा YouTube चैनल नीचे दिया है, जाके सब्सक्राइब करो जरूर को. उसमें मेरे कोई भी सीक्रेट्स नहीं है. मतलब मैंने जो कांड कर चुका हूँ मैं उसके बारे में बताया हूँ उसमें, तो मेरे को तुम लोग अच्छे से जान पाओगे.
Yeah. So
We get to know him better
learn
than
from
that.
him. Learn
हाँ,
from his
learn.
mistakes.
बेस्ट थिंग इज यू लर्न. अगर तुम लोग कुछ भी मिस्टेक करते हो ना, तो तुम उस चीज़ से सीखो. जब तक नहीं सीखोगे तो उस मिस्टेक का मिस्टेक ही रहने वाला
उसके
है.
ऊपर सैड होके इतना कुछ होगा नहीं आपको. आप उससे
मेरे
सीखोगे तो आपके लिए
जैसे
बहुत
मेरे
अच्छा
जैसे बन
रहेगा.
जाओगे, ब्लैक पहनने लग जाओगे.
But it is just like that proverb, okay, which we say in English. Precaution is better than cure.
Yeah.
और सर अभी मैंने इतना सब कुछ पूछ लिया और मैं इतना फ्रैंक हो चुका हूँ, तो फिर सर मेरा रिलेशनशिप बताओ ना, क्योंकि हर कोई जानना चाहता है हर चीज़. तो मैं भी एक चीज़ जानना चाहता हूँ, मेरा रिलेशनशिप.
Something about his relationship. Like कैसा रहेगा उसका, फिर होगा कि
अगर मेरा होगा भी क्या नहीं होगा, क्योंकि मेरी मॉम तो हमेशा बोलती रहती है कि जो है तेरा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है.
I think
वो सबकी मॉम बोलती है.
नहीं, मेरी मॉम बोलती है कि जो ज़्यादा लड़कियों से चिपक मत. तो क्या मैं लड़कों से थोड़ी चिपक सकता हूँ?
LGBT लीगल है तो कर सकते
ए नहीं, ऑल द गर्ल्स टैग मी. मेरा इंस्टाग्राम भी है नीचे.
हैं.
So, I feel relationship में stability तब आती है जब हम खुद mentally ज़्यादा stable होते हैं.
हाँ, बात
वो
कर.
नहीं.
So you got your answer.
हंसना नहीं, तो हो गया.
हाँ, तो मैं समझ गया ना, वो मेरी मिस्टेक है, मैं इसको ठीक कर लूँगा. तो मैं पहले स्टेबल हो जाऊँ, फिर उसके बाद डीएम्स करना प्लीज. तो जब तक मेरा सेम पेज फॉलो करो तो
But you
Then
better
just follow.
तुम लोग को पता चल जाएगा मैं कब स्टेबल हुआ हूँ.
Yeah, but it's good to be more stable.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you are mentally more stable,
हाँ.
you can nurture the relationship. So we always talk
और
about.
बाकी सारी चीजों में भी हम लोग का मन लगेगा अगर हम लोग स्टेबल हैं तो.
It is not about बाकी सारी चीज, okay, but in terms of love, we always talk about falling in love. हमें love is such a beautiful thing. Why do you want to fall? Why you don't want to rise in love? When you are
The
mentally
nice
more
point.
stable,
Yeah.
you can actually rise in love, and that is more cooler than
Yeah.
falling in love.
Best guys.
So we are gonna now end it. सर कितने सर आते रहेंगे. अगले बहुत ब्रॉडकास्ट करने वाले हम सर के साथ.
काफी
सर के साथ, सर के पास बहुत नॉलेज है जो अब तक सर ने पूरी तरह से खोला नहीं है. हम उसको आपके सामने लाएंगे.
कैसे भी करके उसको खुलवाएंगे बेसिकली शुरू.
So we are just now gonna end. Bye guys.
Bye.
What's up?
See ya.
Peace.
एंड प्लीज
Peace.
गाइस नीचे सारे लिंक दिए हुए हैं, तो प्लीज जाके लिंक सब्सक्राइब करो. पहले तो हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करो, फिर उसके बाद बाकी सारे लिंक्स को जाके चेकआउट करो. अगर तुम लोग को अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करो, अगर ना अच्छा लगे तो भी करो, क्योंकि मैं बोल रहा हूँ. और मेरी किंग्स एंग तो मेरे को करनी चाहिए भाई. मैं नहीं जानता, तुम लोग को करना ही पड़ेगा बस. और स्पेशली सर को जाके करो क्योंकि सर ने हम लोग को बहुत टाइम दिया है एंड थैंक्स सर। अभी तो हमारे पास कुछ गिफ्ट वैम्पर नहीं है, अभी जस्ट स्टार्ट किया है, लेकिन इन फ्यूचर यू विल सी दिस अपडेट एंड और आप आते रहोगे तो आपको भी अच्छा लगेगा हम लोग को ग्रो करते हुए।
Right, I think it was a great time I had, and I probably enjoyed the session. And thank you for calling me. It's always good to interact with people who are younger than you,
Yeah.
and they are also so keen in knowledge, learning this knowledge, understanding this knowledge, and spreading this knowledge. It's a beautiful thing. Do like, share, and subscribe, okay? Because they are doing a great job, okay? So yeah, keep smiling, stay blessed.